Hey everyone, Rob Greenfield here, and I got something in the mail from YouTube, and I'm going to share it with you. This is, it says here, presented to Rob Greenfield for passing 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Now, I'm not much of a material possession type of person, so originally when I got the notification from them about this award, I actually wasn't going to accept it because I just don't need stuff. But then I thought about it and I thought, actually, there's something really meaningful I could do with this. And that is that I'm going to give it to one of you, the reason that this is here. So if you have been here on this channel and these videos have been meaningful to you and ultimately they've resulted in positive changes in your life that have brought you more health and more happiness and have helped you to live in a more sustainable way, or you've started to do things that will help you to live in service to the earth, your community, and yourself, then what I'd like you to do is comment with that positive change or with that service that you've been giving. And I'll pick one of you by reading your comments, and I'll actually sign this, write you a little note, and I'll send it over to you. And while you're commenting, if these videos really have brought value to your life and you would like other people to see them, then please go ahead and share this channel with 3 friends or family members or whoever you cross paths with on the street to, spread this message that you think is worth having out there. And I want to thank each and every one of you for being here. This channel, it wouldn't exist without you. Now, for me, one of my goals in life is to really just be a real human being, no matter what happens. Just be authentic, be genuine, and just exist, have a happy and healthy life. But the reality for me is that part of that drive is to inspire other people, to empower other people. As Gandhi said, let your life be your message, and that's exactly how I feel. My life, what you see on this channel, is my message, and without you, the message wouldn't really exist. I mean, you need people to receive that message. So this really is about you, and I am extremely thankful for all of you being here. My goal really is to inspire you, to educate you, and empower you. It's about, making changes to live in a way that's more beneficial to the earth, our communities, and ourselves, to live with more happiness, health, and sustainability, to, overcome the social stigmas, to be able to live the lives that we truly want, and just be able to be authentic, real human beings, and enjoying our time on earth, and doing it in a way that makes the world around us a better place rather than destroys it. Again, I want to thank you for giving me purpose, for creating passion in my life. All of this wouldn't exist without you, and I'm excited to share it with you. So while we're here, I wanted to give this opportunity to tell you a little bit where the channel will be going. You might have noticed that I don't produce a lot of videos, and the reason for that is that it takes a different kind of work. I do a lot of writing. For those of you who are on my website and on social media, you'll see I'm a prolific writer. But I haven't produced a lot of videos because it takes so much more technology, and it takes having someone there to film it and edit it, skills that I don't have. And sometimes it takes money, whereas writing and photos I can do for free. So that's just so you know why I don't produce videos on everything as much as I'd like to. But with that being said, my commitment to you is for the rest of 2019 and 2020, I'll be releasing a new video every single week, at least. Some weeks will be more than one, but a new video every single week. So definitely stick around for that. There's going to be a lot for you to learn and be inspired by. What's coming for me is the World Solutions Tour. So I'm going to be traveling for about a year. And one of the things you're going to be seeing on this channel is solutions from around the world of things that you can do to improve your community, to improve your lives. Not things that you have to wait on government for or large corporations. What you can do on a grassroots level with your community to improve the world around you. So that's one thing that you're going to see a lot of. You're also going to see interviews with the voices of people that I think you need to hear, whether they're well known or not. And you're also going to hear a lot more of my perspective. That's something that I know a lot of you have been wanting, is my perspective and a little bit deeper on why I choose to do the things that I do. So you're going to see a lot of that coming up over the next year. Now, I've been in Orlando for the last 2 years, and I'm leaving Orlando just as planned. I was there for 2 years, living in the tiny house and doing the year-long project of growing and foraging 100% of my food. So it's goodbye to Orlando, but in no way is it goodbye to you. It doesn't matter where I am in the world, we can be connected through here. That's the beauty of it. So I hope that, this video, as any other video, has brought you some knowledge, some insight, some education, and some inspiration. I'm really excited to share this with one of you and all of you, but one of you in particular that I'll be able to mail this off to. And yeah, so it's been nice spending a little time with you, and love you all very much, and see you soon.